Turn off the phone, remove the battery, attach it to KC02S, and long press the confirm button to change the device's language. We select the single modification mode to set our desired efficiency and charging count. Then press the confirm button to burn. Wait for the burning to complete. Weld the accompanying power on wire. Connect one end to the USB at the top of the KC02S and the other end to the phone. Switch the KC02S position to data guide and then power on the phone. After turning on the phone, find the battery settings. The battery and information have an important battery information reminder. Once this page appears, you can turn off the phone. After shutting down, switch the toggle of the KC02S to data modification mode and turn the phone on again. After turning it on, the battery capacity has been modified to 100%. Connect a Type-C charger to the bottom of the KC02S. Then connect the battery and press the activation button to activate the protected battery.